Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Honda CR-V maintenance light reset. In this particular vehicle, there's two types of reset. First of all, we are going to reset it over here on the GPS system. And for those of you that has the car that are not equipped with the GPS system, we are going to reset it over here on this side with these buttons over here: up, down, left, right, enter, and menu. First of all, go ahead and turn on your car without starting, and if you have to push start, go ahead and press it twice. If you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position without your foot on the brake. And if you're at this screen, then stay here. If you're not, then go ahead and press home. It will take you here to this page, and when you get here, go ahead and press setting, excuse me. Go ahead and hit vehicle. Now scroll all the way down till you see maintenance info. Go ahead and click on that and select reset item. We're gonna go ahead and do all item and go ahead and hit reset. Now I'm gonna show you how to reset it over here manually. Actually, I have to cancel this and hit home, and then I can reset it over here for those of you that are not equipped with that GPS system. Now we're gonna go ahead and press that menu button earlier, the menu button, the enter up and down. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and press menu until you find this page, and then when you get here, go ahead and scroll to the wrench. Go ahead and enter on the wrench. Now go ahead and press the enter button and hold it for approximately, I would say, 10 seconds, give or take. It should flash on you, or never mind. Okay, now go ahead and scroll down to all do item, enter on all do item, and there it is, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.